We learned earlier about reproductive behavior in toads, remember? Male toads form amplexus with female toads and fertilize eggs externally. Let's see what happens after fertilization occurs. The toad develops in 4 stages: egg, tadpole, young toad, and adult toad. This process of development is called metamorphosis, and it occurs as a result of the hormone thyroxine produced in the thyroid gland of the toads. The fertilized eggs in strings or clusters are protected in long strands of jelly. Each round egg has a dark region and a yellow region. The dark part contains the nucleus of the zygote, while the yellow part contains the yolk. The yolk is the food available for the development of the tadpole in the egg. The jelly covering protects the eggs from injury, from being eaten, and from desiccation or drying out. The nucleus of the zygote divides to form a tadpole, which leaves the jelly strand 1 or 2 days after fertilization. The newly hatched tadpole is about 3 millimeters long and has a long tail. The eyes, nostrils, and mouth are not yet formed. It stays attached to the jelly string or to water weed while feeding on what's left of the egg yolk. About 2 to 3 days after the egg hatches, the tadpole develops external gills. These 3 pairs of external gills allow the tadpole absorb oxygen while giving off carbon dioxide as it swims in water. The tadpole also has hair-like structures on its body called cilia. These help to slow down water around the gills to allow for better gaseous exchange. During this time, the tadpole's mouth forms and it feeds on algae and small pieces of water weeds. Its intestines are coiled and can be seen through its body. So far, we've seen the eggs hatch to become tadpoles. These young tadpoles have external gills, but they still go through several changes before they finally become adults. We'll continue in the next lesson.